Look at this beautiful, beautiful sunny room. Is this not going to be the most perfect baby room? Good morning, we're so glad you're here. We daily vlog, so if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you come back the next day and the next day and the next day. Did you know I'm going to get this tattooed in black line on my arm one day? Hopefully when all this is over, that should be the celebratory anti-social, or like release from social distancing event. I should go get this tattooed finally on my arm. This morning, beautiful weekend, but we begin with spring cleaning. First bit of the adventure of the morning is I'm going to make some Timmies, some Tim Hortons coffee, and then I'm going to get some hot cleaning water ready to scrub up all the ground, all the ground, all the walls, all the walls, all the doors. I always love the storm, how everything looks all messed up before it looks really good. Like I pull out those, I'm gonna scrub all those chairs. I'm gonna get down there on the ground, get all those dusty corners underneath those legs. I got all of that done, all of the kitchen. I'm gonna do the countertops at the end, but I gotta get this baseboard and I'm gonna start scrubbing these tiles and do up until here. I do my cleaning in sections and then I'll put all this back and then do that. But the key is, don't forget up here because the dust is real. Come on over here.
Still in the same outfit as I was in yesterday.
Sarah just finished editing the vlog. I got cleaned up after I was done cleaning up and vacuuming. Got a list going. I'm going out into the world. We only have one roll of toilet paper left.
Do we?
Yeah, so that is the name of the game and the mission of my little excursion. I'm gonna pick up a few other things, shampoo and stuff like that. Toilet paper, pickles, chocolate chips, necessities, laundry detergent. What else do we need?
I think that's it. I mean, we've been pretty good. I'm about to eat this cookie. I hope everyone doesn't think I'm a squib for not cleaning with Peter today.
Well, you were resting and you were editing the vlog.
Yeah. I also am on pelvic rest, so I can't be like stretching, squatting. So I did like sweep.
It's not bed rest, but she just can't overexert herself.
Right, and we want to be just like extra careful. Like the blood clot this time is so, it's like minuscule. But it's still like scary to me. Because I just don't want it to get bigger. Yeah. I don't want anything bad to happen.
Luckily, we will find out in like a week, a little over a week, the status of it. And then like a week or two later, we'll look at it again. Yeah. Hopefully it'll get smaller and smaller and smaller and gone.
Yeah.
So I hear it's hot out.
Yeah. Yeah, we're supposed to get a heat wave this weekend. A
little adventure I'm about to go on. Isn't that the cutest thing you've ever seen? A little paws hanging off the edge. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Feeling 22. It is just some blue skies and sunshine for anybody who hasn't been able to get out for exercise or for work or anything. Just some Florida sunshine. Alright, so my game plan was to come to the Walmart, near the Whole Foods that we usually go to, because there's also a Walmart and it's near it's a tourism basically Walmart, and my hopes are that because pretty much tourist industry has been shut down mostly now in this area for about a week, but more so for like 2 to 3 weeks, but like I think a vast majority of it for really a week now. So I decided to stop by the P.O. Box because we also have like some of our more important things sent to the P.O. Box. So I decided to run in there and check it out, and it looks like I got a package from Carl the Flamingo on behalf of our friend Megan. So Megan, thank you so much. There you go. Tacos. We got taco gooders. Let's try them out. Ooh. I like those I like these lenses. And now I need to go find us all the necessities that I left for.
So while I'm getting the vlog up, I'm starting our musical day. So we're gonna watch musical movies all day long. I mean, we like a good theme. That's what we always say. It helps us just like even pick what to watch next. And so I know I have Annie on now. We're gonna watch Singin' in the Rain at some point. maybe Chicago, maybe Rent. We have a whole bunch of musical movies. We love them so much. So we have plenty of options, and maybe we'll sit and watch a couple, but otherwise they'll just be on in the background for our day at home, just making it like, I don't know, I feel like we've really taken comfort in like making each day unique so that it doesn't just feel like Groundhog's Day with like us waking up and doing the same thing every single day. So that is what makes today unique for us, is musicals.
It appears I don't have the only idea here. It also is noon on a Saturday, so I just didn't think that many residential people lived over here. But I could be wrong. Fingers crossed. You know, I think we need some flowers. I think we need some fresh flowers in our apartment to remind us that life is good and it is springtime. Sarah wants pickles, so that's what we're gonna get, is some pickles. Wait. It is party time. They have all dressed ruffles. We're grabbing 2 bags. Sarah's gonna freak. Thanks for telling the vlog about musical day.
You're welcome.
Come help me unpack real quick.
Did you know we've been vegan for a year?
Is it the 28th?
It was the 27th, like the vlog went live today, but it was when we went to that restaurant.
Happy 1 year being vegan.
With a couple of
cheats.
A couple of weaknesses here and there. The vlog is live.
The vlog's live?
Yeah.
Sick.
Now that is some pickles.
2 big ol' pickles for you.
Why did you get these so big?
Because you
Will
need all
they fit in our...
You need all the pickles.
Oh dear.
Well, one will fit in the fridge, but we can keep the other one in the pantry until we open it. I also got other treats for musical day.
Beautiful, so springy.
I figure we need a little spring in our step.
Yeah, this is your stuff. Oh my word! Thank goodness. Oh my gosh.
Well, that's not the fun. You pull up all of not fun stuff. Well, there's the fun stuff.
There's the fun
There's a
stuff.
bye.
What's this for? Did you get something for our favorite little treats?
Sarah loves
Ginger beer.
ginger beer and like seltzer flavored things.
Yeah. Delectable. Thank you.
Look at the bag of potatoes.
Oh my god. Ooh, Matt and Ben would have these in the apartment all the time, and I try so hard not to steal them.
There, I checked. So traditional all dressed is not vegan because there's a sour cream in it, but Ruffles skipped on that. Plus we've had those before.
Yeah.
High five. Let's get ready to musical it up. I'm out them for some nice spring flowers in a Coca-Cola vase. She is exhausted, but I can no longer wait anymore. I need to open up the bag of the chips, and I think I'm gonna bust open. Did you see I got some fancy Cigar City beer? I called Chelsea. Chelsea and Cole are my go-to Floridian beer aficionados. What was the place Chelsea worked at?
Brew Hub.
She worked at Brew Hub, and she knows all the good details about craft beer. So I was like, called her, and I was like, I'm thinking of these 3 beers. Like, what's the deal? And the story of Invasion by Cigar City is it was made specifically by Cigar City for Gasparilla, which is in St. Pete's. I don't know where Gasparilla is, but it's like an old famous Floridian area.
That's what Gasparilla Grill is named after.
Yeah. But they have like a parade all the time,
Yeah.
and it was made Invasion.
Not all the time. It's like during this. It's like the Mardi Gras of Florida.
I don't know all the details clearly, but it's called it was a citrus pale ale, so it's kind of like an Indian pale ale. But I'm gonna grab one of those now, and we'll open these chips. And what do we want to watch next? I'm thinking, Singing in the Rain or what? Do we have Singing in the Rain?
Yeah. You mean St. Louis, Rent?
I think Singing in the Rain. So here it is, Invasion Tropical Pale Ale by Cigar City from Tampa. Check out this description. With tropical notes of mango and tangerine, imparted by Simcoe and Mosaic hops. Ooh, Eve wants some. This crisp and sensational pale ale is perfect companion for long days of marauding, pillaging, and pirating. Look at the cool details in there. So pirate-like. Did you wake up for Singing in the Rain? Hair's getting floofy. Can't get a haircut during social distancing. You and me both, sister. So I don't know, I know we've talked about it once, but we've been vlogging for years now. But Sarah and I did Sing in the Rain in high school. Who were you in it? Were you in ensemble?
I was the dancer, and then I was the lady in the green dress, like the
Yes.
main dancer lady.
And I was part of crew then, and it was one of the most fun crew sets because we actually built a refined wall that could withstand somebody doing a running up backflip off of it, and we actually made it rain on stage. So that was really
That
fun.
was so fun.
Probably one of my favorite
Actually,
shows.
I just had those pictures on my time hop, so I'll put a couple in because I had a lot of fun costumes.
Eve's trying to eat the all dress.
this is snowy.
Probably my favorite or top 3 favorite shows we ever did.
I think it was my favorite show from our high school, like our 4 years. We also did Seussical, Hello Dolly, and the Will Rogers Follies.
Yes, but this was probably the most fun overall, from like building the set to running crew for the show and being in the show.
And it was our junior year, so it wasn't like
Our
super
last.
sad because we knew that we were gonna have another show
And unique by like making it rain.
yeah, it was
Love
a good
it.
show.
Singing in the Rain is down. What are we gonna do next? Alexa, pause. Sorry, I was jamming. What are we doing next?
Movie-wise?
Yeah. I'm about to FaceTime Megan and Katie Petrus because I have questions to ask them about Patreon. Thinking I have a plan in the brain and the noggin here that I talked to Sarah about World Marathon Challenge.
Les Mis?
Yes. We're doing Les Mis next. Love a good Hugh Jackman, but first we're gonna FaceTime. Things are getting a little crazy in the Brookhart kitchen here. We got some dip action going on with the all dressed with the French onion cashew. We got chicken queso. Sarah's gonna. How are you spunking up? I'm confused by these apples. Sorry I asked you a question right as you devoured that chip. We're gonna heat up the potato leek soup. We're gonna chop up the apples and saute them and some
Butter.
vegan
brown
butter,
sugar.
vegan brown sugar, vegan apples.
I honestly have never made these, and I've never actually seen a recipe. I could probably look it up. We're gonna use an array of different types of
I'm
apples.
just going like cinnamon, brown sugar,
Yeah.
butter.
And
Heat them up.
just Heat them up. Like the inside of a pie, but without the pie. Think
Gotcha.
Boston Market.
First time ever recipe eating just up a sweet desserty side dish kind of thing going on. This is where we're at so far. 5 apples, heating up, gonna caramelize them up, season them up, order up. 2 for my babies. Oh yeah. Look at this zestiness. It smells like straight up nutmeg Christmas and brown sugar in this house.
And cinnamon.
Yeah.
Here's the final product. Peter's FaceTiming Grant and showing him over there.
Just did our shot. Ate dinner.
We used to love this show.
Smash. I have it on mute so copyright doesn't happen. And with this,
It's like abracadabra.
the clip just now, I think I stopped recording, but the condensation on the outside of the glass made me slip and drop the thing straight on the ground and busted the whole thing everywhere. So now I'm cleaning up this big mess and all the glass. Sarah and Eve are hiding in there while I do it.
We're free! Oh gosh. This menu has been playing over and over again to Les Mis. It smells like a daiquiri out here.
So that was the worst glass break I've ever experienced. And I think it's because I grabbed the top of the wine glass like this from the top and my finger slipped. And I think it hit straight on the bottom because the base of the wine glass was completely intact and it shattered up, which means it popped up. Sarah, I found glass over there by the bookshelf.
Oh my gosh.
On top of the couch, all the way underneath the desk, behind the couch, and a couple of the cushions on the couch. So I think it literally fell here and burst up. Sarah,
Yes.
do Brookhart's let anything ever get them down?
Never!
Check this out. Just because one wine glass breaks doesn't mean we can't remake it. Right when we were about to begin watching Les Mis, literally about to turn the lights off, there is a piece of glass.
What the heck?
Alright, I just finished Les Mis. Sarah's basically been out. asleep and good for about an hour and a half, maybe longer. Eve, on the other hand, has only been asleep for like 40 minutes. She was kind of restless that whole time. But it's early. It's 5 to 11 on a Saturday. I think I'm just going to peruse, watch a couple of music videos. Les Mis, I always forget how amazing of a musical that is. Today's quote is a shorty by Charles Bukowski. And Charles says, "Understand me. I do not have time for things that have no soul." I mysteriously really like that. Alright, my other leading lady's going to join me for the sign-off. She's very much ready for bed, and the other one went to bed. So, thank you for following with our fun journey today. She's zonked. You hear that noise? Oh, she's tired. We love you guys. It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.